Ever since I can remember, dance has been a big part of my life. I first started dancing around age 5 doing ballet and jazz with my older sister. I continued ballet up until middle school, and then for some reason I decided to quit because I thought it wasn't cool. But then again, what did I really know about being cool as a young teenager? As I got into high school, I joined cheer and my love for dance grew even more. I personally loved being challenged to learn new types of dance, and I also loved being around people who shared the same passion as me. As I moved on to college at WSU, I thought I would have to give up dance and never expected to find a dance club on campus. But I was wrong. My second semester, I found group effort, and ever since, it's been the best decision I've ever made. Through group effort, I am not only able to express my love for dance, but I am also able to learn new things from people I love. Through group effort, I have gained some of the best friends I will ever have. Group effort is truly a home away from home for me.